Welcome back for another unbox and swatch video. Today we'll be unboxing and swatching the Caran D'ache 30 set of Neocolor II Water-Soluble Wax Pastels. I'm really excited to try these. We've been doing a lot of watercolor pencils. Wax pastels generally have a smoother, more buttery feel to them. I'm excited to see how they perform, but they come in this tin, 30 colors. Let's take a look at the back here. High quality water-soluble oil pastels, excellent light fastness, resistance, just a little bit of information there. They are ACMI certified, non-toxic, and waxy. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay, we've got 30 colors here. We have some paperwork. Advertising the Neocolor 1. So these are non-water soluble. These are actually water resistant wax pastels, more traditional wax pastel. And then on the back it looks like there are 84 total colors available for the Neocolor 2, which are the water soluble wax pastels that we are going to unbox and swatch today. So a large color range for the Neocolor 2. There you can see the paperwork that comes inside. This is probably the Neocolor 2. So if you enjoy working with these, there's a lot of color options out there. This is a set of 30 of those 84 colors, so it should be a good selection for you to get an idea. So what we're going to do is put this aside, and I'm going to get some paper set up. We'll be using some Fabriano Artistico 140-pound cold-pressed watercolor paper, as we always do. And I'll also be using our Mimic Kolinsky round size 8, as I always do, for consistency. And again, like we did with the pencils, I'll be applying them a little bit more heavy-handed, and then I'm going to try to do about 50% pressure that I did, and then once I have all the colors laid out and dry, I'll then go in with the water and see how they activate. So let's get started. Okay, so before I start to put water on these, I do want to point out that I got a little bit, just a little bit of the red from above on this, but not enough where I think it will make a difference in terms of what you see on camera, but just bear that in mind. They went down very smooth. They're like a firm lipstick. At any point I was thinking, wow, these things are going to just snap in my hand because they're so smooth, but they held together. You know, I put down some pretty heavy pressure. Not a single one of them snapped. Very minimal crumbs. One thing I do want to point out that I've noticed as I've been using these is the paper. They really made it easy to tear the paper as you go through the wax pastel. You can see these little pull tabs here. These wax pull tabs here are designed so that you can easily expose more of the pastel, which is really nice. So let's see what they look like when we add some water. So obviously, I initially mentioned that there was a little bit of the red that got into this, but it ultimately didn't matter too much, and then I went ahead and pulled some of the scarlet above into it. But at the end of the day, I think it's really nice to kind of see how the colors blend together right there. That's not really what we do on these unboxing swatches. We're looking at the individual colors, but when we get those happy accidents, it's good to take advantage of them. Overall, they re-wet beautifully. Nice color range. Really pleasant to work with. These are water-soluble wax pastels. So this is truly a unique painting experience, separate from watercolor, separate from watercolor pencil. These are water-soluble wax pastels. And I had a really good time, a real pleasure working with them. So if this is helpful to you, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to see future unboxing swatches, and ring the bell to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks so much.